Whether you're a web developer or in some sort of online services or just want to help your grandparents out how to do something online, Loom is a fantastic and free tool that will capture screen recordings. The little icon you see here is also a nice benefit. You can move yourself around in the screen and capture the screen as you're typing. So test this font. You can go in here and you can show someone like, hey, I need to change it to a heading. This is a really, really simple tool. It's loom.com. Check it out. The free version is great. There's a paid version that is not expensive and I have found outstanding. It also helps if you're making instructional videos like this to capture the screen recording as well as the audio. Another great feature about Loom is their online library. So all your videos you recorded automatically go up to your library where you can save, you can download, you can rename, and you can also share directly from here. So you can get the link and share this to your clients or who you're trying to help out. And you don't have to have any video editing software. They do have a rudimentary video editor here where you can clip and trim and do a few things with it. So just another benefit. Again, check it out. It is well worth your time. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button right now. Stay tuned and check out the channel for other interesting and informative videos.